Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade pie. This delightful dessert is incredibly simple, requiring no baking at all. We'll start with the foundation, the crust. You can use a store-bought graham cracker crust for ultimate ease, or quickly prepare your own by combining graham cracker crumbs with melted butter and pressing it into a 9-inch pie plate. This simple base sets the stage for our tangy, sweet filling. Next, let's create the star of the show, our creamy lemon filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 6-ounce can of thawed lemonade concentrate with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Whisk these together until they are perfectly smooth. Then, gently fold in 8 ounces of thawed whipped topping, ensuring you keep as much air in the mixture as possible for that wonderfully light and fluffy consistency. This combination creates a perfect balance of tart and sweet. Once your luscious filling is ready, carefully pour it into your prepared graham cracker crust, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Now comes the waiting game, which is crucial for the pie to set properly. Place your pie in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or ideally, let it chill overnight. This ensures a firm, sliceable pie that holds its shape beautifully, ready for you to enjoy. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your homemade lemonade pie. For the best creamy texture, take the pie out of the refrigerator about 15 minutes before you plan to slice it. You can add a beautiful touch with fresh lemon slices or a swirl of extra whipped cream on top. Cut your pie into 8 generous portions and enjoy this wonderfully refreshing, tangy, and sweet dessert. It's truly a perfect treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.